This AI faceless YouTube channel is earning between $2,000 and $5,000 every single month. And as you can see, most of their videos were posted 1 to 5 years ago. So they are barely doing any work right now, and they are still making thousands of dollars every single month with AI generated faceless YouTube videos. Another channel that does this is this one right here, although they are still uploading. But these videos are all AI generated and are faceless. So as you can see, right now they are not getting a lot of views, but on the long term they will keep getting views and over time get hundreds of thousands of views. So how do I know that these channels are making $2,000 to $5,000 per month? Simple. Just take their username and go to socialblade.com, search for it, and here you can see that this channel got about 855,000 views in the last 30 days. And the RPM in the travel niche is between $2 and $6, so that means that per 1,000 views they made $2 to $6. So when you multiply this by 2 to 6, that means they made between $1,700 and about $5,000 last month. So I'll show you exactly how you can do this too and how you can create videos just like the ones that this person is making. For example, this video right here, top 10 things to do in London, was uploaded 5 years ago and still gets 4 views per hour. Or this one right here was also uploaded 5 years ago and still gets 52 views per hour. And these videos only take about 15 minutes to create using AI, and I'll show you the tool that I use to do this within just a few minutes. So first what we are going to do is find a topic for our YouTube video. For this we will open up an incognito tab, go to YouTube and type in top 10 places to visit in. So then just type in A, then you will see a bunch of places here, and then you can type in B, then you will see a bunch more, and you can do this with any letter. So for example, top 10 places to visit in California. So when you search for top 10 places to visit in California, you will see a couple of videos right here. So this is another channel that does exactly what I will show you in this video and earns hundreds of dollars every single day. So let's say we want to make this video top 10 places to visit in California. Just go and copy the keyword right here, and then what you want to do is click on the link down in the description. When you do that, it will take you right here. So as you can see, using this tool you can create videos with text prompts. So enter any topic and InVideo AI gets to work. And you can try it for free without a credit card required. So I'll show you exactly how to use this to create the exact videos that the channels I just showed you are creating. So click try InVideo AI. Then you can simply sign up using your Google account and then you will come right here. So you need to give them a topic and detailed instructions. So just paste in the keywords top 10 places to visit in California, and now you want to enter the video length. So I recommend doing 8 to 10 minutes. And you can tell what type of voiceover you want. For example, I want to have a young female voiceover or an old male. You can do whatever you want. So I will say use a female voiceover, and you can even say something like include a joke in the beginning. So the more details you write right here, the more specific your video will be. So let's say I just want to enter this, then click on generate a video. So now it is analyzing your text and now it's going to create a script, and along with that script it will actually create a full video for you, including a voiceover, stock footage and subtitles. So let's just wait for it to generate. So now here it will give you a few options. So you can choose an audience, so I can choose travel enthusiasts, California residents and tourists. Now the people that probably will be watching this video are travel enthusiasts, so I will select travel enthusiasts. Then you can choose a look and feel, so I can pick bright, inspiring or professional. I will select bright, and for the platform we want to select YouTube since we are creating faceless AI YouTube videos. So then click on continue. So now it's actually generating the video for you. So let's just wait for it to generate. So it took about 8 minutes for the video to be generated, and for a video that will be getting views for you over the next years and will potentially be making hundreds of dollars, that's really not a lot of time. If you were to edit this yourself, it will take you at least a few hours. So I'll just show you the first 10 seconds of the video. Now as you can see, it has these watermarks right here, but as you can see you can remove the watermarks during export. And you are also currently previewing in 480p, but you can export in 1080p. So let's take a look at this video.
Have you ever wondered what the top 10 places to visit in California are? Well, the Golden State is a treasure trove of diverse attractions, each more tantalizing than the last. From the sun-kissed beaches to the towering redwoods, The glitzy
So as you can see, it created a script, a realistic sounding voiceover, and supporting stock footage. So let's just skip forward a little bit. You will see that it keeps on providing stock footage that has to do with the actual thing that we are talking about. So this is really an awesome tool that you can use to create videos within just a few clicks. Now if there is something you don't like about the video, you can simply give a command to edit the video. So let's say change the voiceover to a male. You can even do something like this. So then click generate. And now it will do what you ask right here. And by the way, the videos that you generate right here are completely legal to monetize and you will get licenses for it. So now it has been changed to a male voiceover. Let's listen to it.
Have you ever wondered what the top 10 places to visit in California are? Well, the Golden State is a treasure.
So now as you can see, the voice has been changed. And in the beginning you will see this right here, where it says intriguing introduction. Now this will of course also be removed. So now once you're happy with the result, you can click export right here, then click export video. Now here you can select the watermark. So you can remove the watermarks by clicking no watermarks, but you are required to upgrade to a paid plan for this, and I'll show you exactly how much it will cost. Now here for the branding you can simply select none. And for the export resolution you can either select 1080p or 4K. So now when you click on upgrade you will see the pricing plans. Now as you can see it starts at even $20 per month. And this is very cheap because you'll get 50 minutes per month of AI generation. So let's say that your videos are about 10 minutes. That means you will be creating 5 videos per month for only $20. That's $4 per video. If you were to create these videos yourself, it would take about 2 hours per video. So you'll be saving 10 hours of time for just $20 per month. And as you can see, when we take a look at these people's channels, you will see that the videos that we just created with InVideo are no worse than these videos. They may be even better since this is 5 years old. So simply click on Get Plus or Get Max right here. I will say Get Plus. And then here just fill in your details and billing address and click on pay. So when you pay yearly, you will pay the entire year upfront. In my opinion this is worth it, because then you will actually need to stay consistent with this. If you are paying monthly and you won't see any results after 1 month, then you may be like, okay, let's stop this. But when you pay the entire year, you will make the 5 videos per month. And if you make 5 of these videos per month for an entire year, that means that you will have about 60 videos. Now this channel right here only has 145 videos. So you will almost have half of the videos of this channel, and this channel here is making $5,000 per month. And the videos we are creating are pretty much the same as their videos. Now for the thumbnails, just take a picture of the place that you are creating the video about and put over it top 10 and then the name of the place. That's pretty much what all of these channels do, as you can see right here. So it's so easy to make money with these AI generated faceless videos. Just follow the steps that I showed you in this video, click on the first link in the description to go to invideo.io/AI, add in your keyword and it will generate the entire video for you. Then just simply upload this onto your YouTube channel, and then you will have a YouTube channel just like this one right here and this one right here. And there are a bunch more channels like this that are succeeding. So that's how to make faceless YouTube videos with AI and earn hundreds of dollars every single day. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.